Hi there, I'm Janhvi Pandit, Marketing Coordinator at the International College of Manitoba, or ICM. I'm very pleased to hear that you are interested in ICM's programs and are interested in pursuing a bachelor's degree from the University of Manitoba. University of Manitoba is Western Canada's oldest university and is part of the prestigious U15, a group of 15 research-intensive universities in Canada, which includes universities like McGill and the University of Toronto. So if you choose to make your academic future in Canada, the University of Manitoba and ICM is the place for you. And you should absolutely choose to go with Canam. I can personally vouch because 12 years ago, Canam helped me make the decision to go to ICM, and that was the best decision in my life. So just like me, they can help you secure your future in Canada and become a world leader. I would like to meet you in person during the events that Canam is holding in hotels from the 7th to 18th of September. But if you cannot make it in person, I would like to meet you virtually in room number 12 at a time and place that's convenient to you through 7th and 18th September. See you soon!